Hey there, homeowners. Did you know your washing machine needs cleaning too? Yep, that unsung hero of your laundry routine deserves some TLC. Over time, detergent, fabric softener, dirt, and even mold can build up, affecting its performance. But no worries. I've got a simple guide to deep clean your washing machine. Let's jump right in. First up, clean the drum. Run an empty cycle using hot water and either 2 cups of white vinegar or 1 cup of bleach. Never both together. Let it agitate for a few minutes, then pause the cycle and let the solution sit for about an hour before continuing. This will break down buildup and nasty odors. Next, scrub the detergent drawer, pull it out and soak it in warm soapy water. Use a small brush, like an old toothbrush, to scrub away any residue. Rinse, dry, and pop it back in. Third, wipe the rubber gasket. Check the rubber seal around the door, especially on front loaders. Wipe it down with a cloth soaked in vinegar or an all-purpose cleaner. Make sure to get into all those folds where grime and mold love to hide. Now clean the filter. Locate it usually at the bottom front of the machine. Remove any lint, coins or debris and rinse the filter under running water. Place a towel underneath just in case water leaks out when you open it. Finally, air it out. Once you're done, leave the door and detergent drawer open to air dry. This helps prevent moisture buildup and mildew. So how often should you clean it? Aim for once a month. If you do a lot of laundry or use cold water cycles often, you might want to clean it more frequently. There you go. A clean washing machine means cleaner clothes and a fresher home. No time for a clean? Feel free to call us at 256-633-6332 and get a free quote or visit our website at bearbroscleaning.com.